Hi guys, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today I am going to show you how to keep Action Center always open like this even you enter a start menu or anything. So we can do this by using a simple Windows Registry Editor. So I'm going to open Windows Registry Editor by pressing the Windows button and type REGDAT Windows Registry Editor. In the Windows Registry Editor, I'm going to open HKey local machine. In the HKey local machine, I'm going to open software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, ImmersiveShell, and I'm going to select launcher. In the launcher, in the right side, I'm going to create a new DWORD value. So I'm going to say right click on here, select new DWORD value. The name of the DWORD value is DisableLightDismiss. So I created a new DisableLightDismiss DWORD value. Now I'm going to double click on here and give the value to 1 to enable this DWORD. So I'm going to click OK and I'm going to close the registry editor and I'm going to reboot the PC to see the effect. After restarting your PC, when you open the Action Center by clicking on here or using the Windows +A shortcut button, the Action Center is always keep opened in the sidebar even you open start menu or access your file explorer. If you don't want to keep the Action Center in the sidebar always open, just delete the DisableLightDismiss DWORD value from the registry editor and restart your PC.